Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the license plate tag light on a Mercedes W211. We have more probably than 150, 200 videos on that, so please feel free to check out the playlist, guys. Okay, so if your tag light, license plate lights are not working here, we'll demonstrate, guys, how to replace those. Okay, you have two of them, so we'll demonstrate on the left side. You need a Phillips screwdriver, okay, and you need to remove these two screws. We already started them, guys, so we don't waste your time unscrewing them for about 2 minutes because they're hard to get to. Once you do that, you need to get a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool, okay, and pry that thing out of there. Okay, this is the one with the bulb, guys, right here. So when you want to replace the bulb, all you have to do is spread those, pull the bulb out, okay, and when you're ready to install it, okay, you're going to push it in both holes. You need to make sure that, okay, it's in both holes there, and we are going to push it in until it clicks there. You hear it. Okay, it goes only one way, I believe. So you need to install the two screws now, again with the Phillips screwdriver, and stay with us. We'll go ahead and test them, see if they work now. Okay, just get those tight and we'll be back to it in a minute. Alright guys, we got it tight. Okay, let's see. Both of them work. Okay, great. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.